What's the spider mean?
To remind all patrons of the fine establishment that there will be no eating, drinking, or smoking while residing with us. This hotel is 100 years old, so please don't touch anything, and the staff would appreciate it if you would not touch them as well. We hope you survive. I mean, 7 of us if I'm saying.
Welcome to the Hotel Saint Michel. This is a 5-star hotel. As such, ruckus behavior will not be tolerated at any time. There are many elements within this hotel that are fragile, so please do not touch anything or anyone while staying with us. Per the manager's request, there will be no eating, drinking, and absolutely no smoking at the Hotel Saint Michel. We do hope you enjoy this. Good evening, Hotel Saint Michel guests. Mr. Relic, the hotel's manager, would like to remind all patrons of this fine establishment that there will be no eating, drinking, or smoking while residing with us. This hotel is over 100 years old, so please don't touch anything. And the staff would appreciate it if you would not touch them as well. We hope you will survive. Stay with us again soon. It has been